Hey everybody, this is the filler 2 for this Rocket printer. We have 10 spots at 195 a spot. Spot 1 gets 1 spot in the main. We're going live at 4:06. We're going to roll the dice 4 higher. So a 4. Here we go, 4 times at 4:06. Third time, we're going to Sonya on top, Miss Lisa on bottom. We randomized it 3 times. Dice calls for a 4. Here we go, final time, 4:06. Good luck, everybody. Miss Sonya is the winner with spot number 3. Congratulations. We have 10 names on the list. We randomized it 4 times. The dice does call for a 4. And we are done. Final time stamp is 4:06. This turn 4:07. Congratulations, winner. Good luck in the main, and thanks everybody for helping us.